How do you make your boxed brownies better? I'm about to tell you. I saw this question recently here, and so I'm a pastry chef and figured there are a couple things that I personally do to boost up brownies in general. And if you're using a box mix, especially, this is a super easy way to take them and elevate them. Two easy things you can do. My first tip is dun 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 dun, this instant espresso powder. It is very inexpensive. You can find it at I would wager to say any grocery store. You can find it there. What this does, unless you're averse to coffee, it adds a little bit of depth of flavor. It's chocolate and coffee. They're like BFFs essentially. They have friendship bracelets and all. And it's a really, really simple, easy thing to do to just add into the brownie batter. You don't have to do anything crazy. A tablespoon of it, add that into your brownie batter, and it just adds like a little something extra that'll have somebody be like, oh, this is fancy. What'd you do? And you're like, my secret. This is your secret. The second thing that you can do, also super easy, malted milk powder. Again, not every grocery store I feel like has this, but you can probably find it online as well. What is this going to do? It adds a little bit of caramelized, it's a multi really is what you're looking for, but that's kind of how it tastes. But this would be my first, and it's so easy. And then it's multifunctional too, so you don't have to just use it for that. You can make a cup of coffee while you wait for your brownies to bake too. So it's a win-win. So I hope that helps.